शामियाने के तले, जजरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंदे शामियाने के तले, जजरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से मुड़ा दी, गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामियाने के तले, आजा सारी बातें नीले आसमान के तले। Show me love, come with it, I'm in it, I got it. आजा जिंदे शामियाने के तले, जजरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंदे शामियाने के तले, जजरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से मुड़ा दी, गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामियाने के तले, आजा सारी बातें नीले आसमान के तले। Show me love.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Start the function with the recitation of Holy Quran. So now I would like to call Mr. Qari Khurshid Alam sir for the recitation of some holy verses of Quran. Please, sir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم صدق الله العظيم
हर रिश्ता निभाना था एक बचपन का ज़माना था। हर रिश्ता निभाना था एक बचपन का ज़माना था। खुशियों का खजाना था, चाहत चांद को पाने की थी, दिल तितली का दीवाना था। थक कर आते थे स्कूल से फिर खेलने भी जाना था। थक कर आते थे स्कूल से फिर खेलने भी जाना था। बरसात में कागज़ की कश्ती पर हर मौसम सुहाना था। हर खेल में साथी हर रिश्ते निभाने थे। हर खेल में साथी हर रिश्ते निभाने थे। रोने की वजह ना थी ना हंसने का बहाना था। रोने की वजह ना थी ना हंसने का बहाना था। अब नहीं रही वो ज़िंदगी जैसा बचपन का ज़माना था। अब नहीं रही वो ज़िंदगी जैसे बचपन का ज़माना था। आई विश यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे ऑल ऑफ यू। A very happy morning to all of you. I'm Maria Fatima. Today we gather here to celebrate a very special day. Children's Day, this day is dedicated to all the young bright stars who light up our world with their innocence, curiosity and boundless energy. We are so excited to be here with all of you. Let's make this day a celebration of creativity, talent and potential of our little stars. We have a fantastic lineup of performance and surprises for all. So get ready to laugh, sing, dance your way through the day. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate the true meaning of Children's Day. This day holds a special significance as it marks the birth anniversary of beloved leader Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru. He had a deep affection for children and believed in their potential to shape the future of our nation. It's our day to cherish the innocence of childhood and to work towards creating a better future for our little stars. So now, without wasting any time, let me extend my heartily welcome to Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Shah Muhammad Abbas Wasim, Sir, Professor, Department of Education Professor, Elementary, Dr. Pangav Bihar, respected Principal, Dr. Ahmad Ali Sir, Narendra Ibrahim Publicity, and Director Muhammad Ali Sir, beloved teachers, other staff, and their students, each and everyone. Welcome to all of you to this Children's Day program. Now, I would like to for welcome guest speech.
अली सर
Thank you, Maria ma'am.
गेट पर जाओ.
Respected principal ma'am, respected chief guest, respected manager sir, teacher, staff, and my dear beloved student. Good morning to all of you. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome you all to our Children's Day celebration. First of all, it is my duty to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Shah Mohammad Abbas Wasim sir, Professor, Department of Physiology, GNMC, AIM. Welcome, sir. After that, I welcome all children on this special occasion, that is Children's Day. Happy Children's Day to all of you. Happy Children's Day. My dear lovely students, we celebrate Children's Day every year on November 14 to mark the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, a great visionary, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was known for profound love and care for children. He was known for profound love and affection for children, was called Chacha Nehru. He believed that children are like birds in gardens who should be carefully nurtured because children are future of our nation and citizen of tomorrow. His vision is so simple that every child deserves love, care, right to education. So I welcome to all of you once again, and then I welcome to our chief guest once again, and I thanks to all my staff, teachers, non-teaching staffs, and once again I wish you happy Children's Day. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abdullah Bakar. I am 3 years old. I study in CAT Playgroup. Today is 14 November. We are celebrating Children's Day. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children call him Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved very much. Nehru ji always a बच्चे देश का भविष्य. Thank you and happy Children's Day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammed bin Tayyab. I study playgroup class. We are celebrating Children's Day. It is celebrated in the honor of Jawaharlal Nehru birthday. He was first Minister of India. He was great leader and freedom fighter. He loved children a lot. Children call him Chacha Nehru. Happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jayar Fahim. I study in playgroup class. Today 14 November. We are celebrating Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Sunday. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru ji loved us very much. He was fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. It is also called as Bali Happy Children. Thank you.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। दिखती सच्ची मैंने यारी गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से मुड़ा दी, गिर गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। Show me on, come with it, come with it, I got it.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. My name is Vania Mirza. Respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the very joyful day of the student. It is celebrated 14 November. It is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children is a very happy day for children. Thank you, Jai Bharat.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। की सच्ची नैया गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से उड़ा दी, गिर गिर गारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा तूने शामी आने के पहले आजा सारी बातें तुम्हें आसमान के तले Show me on Come with it Run with it Break on it
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले
Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. My name is Zoeb Ali. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day celebrated on 14 November in every year. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. Children call him Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru loves children very much. He said children of today will make India of tomorrow. He wanted every child to be happy, healthy, and educated. He worked very hard for our country, always spread love and peace. He taught us to study well, help others, and smile every day. On this special day, let us promise to be good and kind. Children are sweet, children are bright. They fill the world with a smile or light. On the play, always say happy children. Say thank you, everyone. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teacher, chief guest, and all my dear friends. My name is Maida Hayat. At first, wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today, we gather here to celebrate Children's Day on 14 November every year. This day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Nehruji was very fond of children, and they fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He believed that children are the future of the nation and their education and development should be given priority. On this day, special programs are organized for children in school. We all should adopt Chacha Nehru ideas to contribute to building a bright future for our country. Children's Day reminds us that the importance of the children in the family, society, and the country. Children are the valuable asset of the nation. So children should be raised with love and care. At last, I would like to end my speech with a beautiful line by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The children of today will make a India of tomorrow. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanabia. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. On 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day in India because of the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In order to pay tribute to him and his contribution to our country in India, Children's Day celebrates on 14 November. 1964 in India, Children's Day celebrated on 14 November. Since 1964, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and the greatest leader. He loved children very much and children finally called him Chacha Nehru. The concept of celebrating Children's Day was first originated in a small town in Massachusetts. In 1857, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had great love and affection for children. Children's Day celebrated across schools and colleges with various events in the country. On this day, some students wear clothes like Nehruji and put arrows on their coats. On this day, the school organized many programs. Generally, children participate in various competitions like dance, music, painting, singing, debate, and storytelling, etc. The main purpose behind Children's Day is to spread awareness about child rights and child education in the country. India has formulated many laws that protect children from exploitation, that also reminds parents to support and protect their children while giving them a good education, food and health. Parents should give opportunities for children to express their thoughts. Yes, children are victims of the nature. Truly, children are valuable resource. Handle them very carefully. I conclude my work by quoting of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The way we bring up determine the future of the country. Ultimately, Children's Day celebrates the bright future that lies ahead when we invest in the well-being and happiness of children. Thank you very much.
आजा आजा गिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा गिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची नैया गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से उड़ा दी, गिर गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा तूने शामी आने के पहले, आजा सारी बातें तूने आसमान के तले। Show me on, don't need it, I need it, I got it.
के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जीते शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची मैंने यारी गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से मुड़ा दी गिर गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा तूने शामी आने के तले आजा सारी बातें तूने आसमान के तले Show me on Come with it I'm in it I got it
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची मैंने यारी गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से मुड़ा दी गिर गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा तूने शामी आने के तले आजा सारी बातें तूने आसमान के तले Show me on Come with it I'm in it I got it
Oh, शामियाने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा झूले शामियाने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने तुमको से उड़ा दी ये गाने हैं उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा तूने शामियाने के तले आजा सारी बातें तुम्हें आसमान के तले Show me love, come with it, I'm in it, I got it.
शामियाने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा झूले शामियाने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
मोहतरमा प्रिंसिपल साहिबा, मोहतरम मेहमान खुसूसी, असातिज़ाए किराम, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामुल अलैकुम। आज हम सब यहाँ चाचा नेहरू के योम विलादत को मना रहे हैं। चाचा नेहरू बच्चों से बहुत मोहब्बत करते थे, इसीलिए आज 14 नवंबर को हम चिल्ड्रन डे के नाम से मनाते हैं। मुझे बहुत खुशी है, हमारे स्कूल के तलबा ने इस प्रोग्राम को 4 चांद लगा दिए। मैं अपने प्यारे बच्चों को चिल्ड्रन डे मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। इसके बाद अपने मेहमान खुसूसी डॉक्टर वसीम साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि उन्होंने बावजूद मसरूफियात के हमारे दावत कबूल की और हमें अपना कीमती वक्त दिया। सर, मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ। इसके बाद मैं अपने स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल्स, टीचर, स्टाफ का भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। उन्होंने इतना बेहतरीन प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया। मैं एक बार बच्चों को चिल्ड्रन डे की मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ और तमाम लोगों को शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।
आजा आजा झूले शामियाने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।